Okay, Sep. Video tayo, mag-vlog tayo. Oh, behave. Ayan na. Tingin ka sa camera. Hi! Welcome to my vlog! Yee! Maray na aldaw sa Indogabos. Welcome to Matray nga! By the way, this is Teacher Alquin Reiteran, or you can call me Sir Al. Hi! Today, we will learn about addition of integers. So let's try to add integers. We have two common ways of adding integers. First, using number line. Second, using algebra tiles. Let's begin with the number line. The natural numbers or the positive integers are located at the right side of 0. The negative integers are located at the left side of 0. Okay, so let's begin adding integers using a number line. So let's try to add like signs. We have positive plus positive, then negative plus negative, and let us also try to add integers with unlike sign, with different signs, like positive plus negative and negative plus positive. Let's try to add integers with the same signs or like signs. Okay, so let's try positive 3 plus positive 2. But before that, I would like to tell you on how we are going to use a number line. Okay, so to use a number line, simply, if we have a positive integer, you have to move to the right. If we have a negative integers, you have to move to the left. Okay? So let's try with positive 3. So this is positive, so we have to move 3 places to the left, starting with 0. So 1, 2, 3. Plus positive 2. So it's positive, so we have to move another 2 places to the right. 1, 2. So the correct answer is for 3 plus 2 or positive 3 plus positive 2 is positive 5. Okay, so next, let's have both negative integers. Okay, so we have negative 3 plus negative 2. What do you think will be the answer if we have both negative? Let's try. If we have negative, move to the left. Okay? So 3 is negative. Move 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Next, plus negative 2. 2 is negative. Move to the left 2 places. 1, 2. So the answer is negative 5. Okay. So now let us also try to add unlike signs. If we have positive plus negative, let's try positive 3 plus negative 2 is equal to, okay, let's try using this number line. 3 is positive, so going to the right. 1, 2, 3. Plus negative 2. 2 is negative, so move to the left 2 places. So 1, 2. So the answer is positive 1. Okay. Next. How about if we have negative plus positive? Let's try negative 3 plus positive 2. Okay. So let's try it on the number line. If we have negative 3, move 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. Then, we have positive 2. So, move 2 places to the right. 1, 2. So, the answer is negative 1. So, that is how we use the number line in adding integers. And now, let's try to use algebra tiles to add integers. So we have here two types of tiles. We have the red tile, which is a positive 1. It is equivalent to positive 1. Another, we have the blue tile, which is equivalent to negative 1. Okay? So if we have one pair of a blue and red tile, the equivalent of this is 0. Okay? So a pair of blue and red is equivalent to 0. So let's try to add integers using an algebra tiles. Let's begin with our first example, which has this same sign or like sign. Let's have positive 3 and positive 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to. What we are going to have is, we will have 3 positive added by 2 positive. Okay? So, we have 3 positive. So, red is positive. 1, 2, 3. Plus 2 positives. So, 3 positives, 3 positive tiles, and 2 positive tiles. So, let's count. How many positive tiles do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, therefore, positive 3 plus positive 2 is equal to positive 5. So, that's how simple to use algebra tiles to add integer. Next, we have to add integers with the same negative signs. So let's try to add negative 3 plus negative 2. So negative is a blue tile. So we have 3 negative tiles and another 2 negative tiles. So let's have 1, 2, 3 plus 2 negatives. So another 2 blue tiles. Okay. 1 and 2. So all you can see are all blue tiles. Therefore, let's count how many blue tiles or how many negative 1. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, we have 5 negative blue tiles or negative blue. We have 5 blue tiles. So the answer is negative 5. Negative 3 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 5. So that's how we add both negative integers. Okay, next, how about if we have a negative and positive integers? If we have negative 3 plus positive 2, what do you think will be the answer? Okay, let's try. We have negative 3, so 3 blue tiles. 1, 2, 3 plus 2 positive tiles, 2 red tiles. So let's remove this and change with the positive tiles or the red tiles. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, so what we are going to do is to look for, since we have blue tiles and red tiles, we are going to look if there are pairs of blue and red tiles. So we have here 3 blue and 2 red tiles. This one red can be paired to another blue. Okay, another red can be paired to another blue tiles. Therefore, this is equivalent to 0. This is also equivalent to 0. What left is one blue tile. So therefore, this is equivalent to negative 1. So negative 3 plus positive 2 is equivalent to negative 1. Did you get that? Okay. So now, let's try to add positive and negative integers. If we have positive 3 plus negative 2. Okay? So therefore, we have 3 red tiles and 2 blue tiles. Okay? Let's have 3 red tiles. One, 2, 3, and 2 blue tiles, plus 1, 2. As you can see, we have again red tiles and blue tiles. So we can look for pair. Okay, so 1 red and 1 blue. So this is equivalent to 0. Another red and blue, they are paired. So it is also equivalent to 0. So what left is a positive tile or a red tile, which is equivalent to positive 1. So positive 3 plus negative 2 is equal to 1. So either using a number line or using an algebra tiles, the answers are still the same. Okay? Kaya't laging tatandaan na ang matematika ay madali lamang sapagkat ito'y nasa inyong kapaligiran. Kailangan nyo lang makita ang tunay nitong kahalagahan. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sep, say bye! Naway marami kayong natutunan. Thank you for watching.